Oh, my glove!
Yo, 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 what is up guys? Nick Nakai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button down below. So as you guys can see, we're at a fairly new spot right here. I just want to give a huge shout out to Eric from C3 Automotive. Go ahead and give his shop a follow guys. We're out here with Andrew. We're gonna be doing some work out here, so figured I'd document it. So I want to introduce Andrew to the channel guys.
What's up guys? Andrew. Follow me on Instagram, acortez91.
Alright Andrew, so what are we gonna be doing today?
So this 370Z here has a low end bottom rod knock, spun a bearing. Pretty much there's a bunch of oil in the metal, metal in the oil. So pretty much what we're gonna do right now is gonna rip the motor out. I've never done one, and I don't think Nick's ever done one yet, you know? So right now we're just gonna figure out how to get this thing out. Shouldn't be too hard though, you know what I mean? Nothing the master techs can't handle, so should be good.
Alright, just to give you a little bit of background about Andrew. He's a former Toyota tech, a lot of heavy line experience, so he's actually the one who helped me get into Toyota, so huge shout out to Andrew. And yeah. So this is a pretty tight motor, you guys can see. I think the plan of attack, what we're going to do is pretty much pull off the whole front end and then just pull the motor with the tranny all the way out. But this car is also lowered, so we're going to have to jack it up before we even get on the rack. But should be fun guys, should be fun. Alright guys, we got a third helper right here, Alex, aka my stallmate. Follow him on Instagram. Alright, well it's looking like there's a lot of room around the trans bell housing, so what we're going to try and do is just leave the trans in here, pull off the front end still, and just pull the motor out the front. We'll see how it goes. A quick little break, little update for you guys. We got the whole front end off. You can see now it's pretty much ready to go. Got the whole front over here, just like that. Just gonna take a little breather, then just gotta pull off that power steering pump, I believe. And what else we got, Andrew? What else we gotta do?
Next thing we're gonna do is gotta pull the power steering pump off. Looks like we already got the AC lines off. After that, just make sure any hoses, any like vacuum hoses that got hooked up, any ground straps. Then after that, we're gonna pretty much work our way to the bottom. We already unhooked the wires from the ECU right here. We got everything unplugged. The wires ran all the way through inside the kick panel, so we were able to unplug it there because we got some wires that are kind of buried in the back. They kind of look like a kind of a pain to get to. So the easiest way to do it is usually just unplug it from the main source, the ECU, and then pretty much flop the harness over. After that, once they pull the motor out, then after that we can pretty much, all the wires are easy accessible. Any other hoses, stuff like that are easy accessible when the motor's out of the car. So that's the easiest way for this, this particular case to take out the motor. So after that, pretty much are going to do the bell housing bolts at the bottom, any mounts or anything like that at the bottom. After that, I think the motor's going to be ready to come out. So it should be a pretty easy job. Sneezing, it comes out.
All right, so we got all the bell housing bolts off. Got the pump off. Got the starter off. You guys can't really see in there. It's kind of tight for the camera, but everything's pretty much out. This thing's a couple minutes away from coming out. Just got to unbolt the exhaust, I believe, and hook up the chain and pull this bad boy out. Make a good time over here.
Oh, my glove!
It's almost time. Just anytime you pull an engine, always just double check from the bottom, because the last thing you want to do is have the cherry picker hooked up, trying to pull it out, and you realize you forgot something. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Make sure we're all good and clear under here. So you can see the engine's already splitting from the trans. Well, this thing's pretty much ready to go. Hey, the engine's already split.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, that's the starter.
Love that little engine. It's coming out by itself.
Not bad.
Pull that trans out though.
Yeah, I would. All right, guys. So just like that, we got the 370 motor out. It's probably like maybe 2 hours of work. Wasn't that bad. Really super easy job. So as of right now, we gotta wait because we still gotta turn in this core motor so we get the other motor. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe you guys learned a little thing or something, but they're not that bad. This was our first time pulling a motor out of a 370Z and really wasn't shit. So good day. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!